Now, Andrew, let me ask you, because people have been calling us saying, hey, if I do my home hardening, if I do 0 to 5 clearance, if I do some of these things, will the carriers give me a discount? And here's my understanding, and I'll let you kind of like elaborate a little bit more. In some cases, the homeowners are not necessarily giving a discount. They're just saying, hey, if you do these things, you qualify for insurability, number one. Number
Mhm.
two, if we do insure you and you can prove that you've done these things, then in California, if you've done these things, you can potentially qualify for some discounted percentage of the actual rate.
Yeah, look, we're kind of in the Wild West days
Yeah, yeah,
right
yeah.
now. So it's still very early days in being able to create a systematic way for the insurance market to measure that affective risk. And that's where, we kind of created the entire company because we kept seeing this need for it, which is there isn't a very strong one, a macro view, we call it. And so that's where we kind of step in and found a huge hole in the market. And so first take that macro view, understand it, translate it to what effectiveness has this had in being able to give the fire department infrastructure a chance at suppressing this. So stopping this rapid movement. It's still going to burn, but you need to stop this massive compounding that where it moves from wildland into urban and then structure to structure. And then the second part we do is what we call micro. So we have the macro part and then we have micro, which is look at the individual parcels and understand what work has been done there. Exactly what you're saying. Zone zero, class A roof, make sure to cover your vents, simple stuff like that. And then trying to do that across a neighborhood. So call it 20 homes, 50 homes, 100, 200, or a large HOA, because that is where you get some sort of major effectiveness in being able to make this a much more hardened asset in structure that even though there may be spot fires in the area, it's something that's fightable by the fire infrastructure and fire departments. And so that is where you can actually see massive discounts coming in with a carrot, which is, hey, would you like $3,000 back on your insurance this year, or way more? Like if you look at these HOAs we work with, you know, the we've seen ones like in McLeod up in Incline Village where it's they're going from 1.3 million a year to 900,000, and now it'll probably be about 400 and $500,000 a year.